So our today's lesson is very easy. We are going to determine whether if a function represents a line, we say linear function or not. This can be done easier from graph, from table, or from equation. In example 1, we are going to identify linear and nonlinear equations from graph. Remember that a linear equation is the equation that graphed as a straight line. Do we have a straight line in this graph?
No.
Yes.
So it's not a linear equation. No, it's not straight line. Straight line means continuous straight line.
Oh.
Either this or that. But none of them is a linear equation because the equation has changed its attitude from decreasing to increasing. Yes?
So it's either
One more example. Is this a line?
Yes.
So this function is linear because
still
it's a straight line
The graph.
and it has
Not it has a straight line. It has a straight line. The function is linear.
it's a straight line.
no,
How?
This is a straight line.
No, Mr.
It
has.
has a straight line.
It's a straight line. The graph is a straight line.
Oh.
Sorry. Because the graph is a straight line and it has a constant rate of change. So it has a slope. Because it has a constant rate of change or it has a slope, then it's a linear. So it's represented by a line. That's it. And super easy. And this is the first example.
Oh, easy. Simple, Mr.
Let's check.
One more example is here. It says a square has a side length of s inches. The area of the square is a function of the side length. So what's the function of the area of square? It's a equals the side length is s. So it's s squared. S squared. Now we need to determine whether if this function represents a linear equation or not. To do so, I need to make a table and to consider some values for s and for a for sure. Because a depends on s, so I will be considering some values of s. Let's say -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. That's enough. Doctor, please. -2 square is
-2 square.
4.
Negative
Yeah.
4.
And -1 square.
1,
1. 0 square.
0,
0. 1 square.
2,
1 square.
1. Sorry.
2 square.
4.
Now what I need to do is to think about these values as order pairs, like x, y, x, y, x, y. So they are, I do have 5 points. And now I'm going to grab these 5 points on a grid. Here we are. Okay. Point -2, 4. Point -2, 4. Here. Point -1, 1. -1, 1. Here. Yeah. And point 1, 1. Point 1, 1 is located here. Where point 2, 4 is approximately there. Now to connect these points, I forgot to plot 0, 0. So it's here. Now to connect these points, I will have something like this.
Well, it's not
This is not a line.
What is it?
It's not a straight line.
nothing.
This is not nonlinear function. We're just focusing today if it's a line or not, if it's a linear equation or not. Okay. Yes, sir?
Stop. From where you get the S numbers?
I'll consider that myself. Okay, I'll consider that myself.
We can do it in the final
You
exam.
can do whatever you're satisfied with, but just be smart and choose easy numbers that you can handle with the proficiency.
Can I use these numbers?
You can use these numbers of any other numbers that works with you.
اشرح لك.
Yes. But choose the numbers that works for you to get whole numbers here so you can plot them in the grid. Choose easy numbers. One more example. Here it says a square. Any questions?
Mister,
Mister.
I have a question.
Yes.
This line.
The parabola.
Yeah. What's the name?
Parabola.
Parabola. And when I write the question, what do I write? Linear.
This is an example.
Okay.
You write non-linear because it's not a line. Yes, sir.
Mister, so the line that's straight, it's linear, and the one that's not.
That's simple.
Like this, it's non-linear.
Yeah, if it's not a straight line, then it's non-linear. Okay, a square has a side length of s inches. The perimeter of the square is represented by the expression 4x. So what I have p equals 4 s's. Yes?
Yes, come.
And now I want to determine whether if this represents a line or not. So let's apply our table. Let's say I do have some x values and corresponding y values, or in this situation, I will name them S and P. Okay? Let's say -1. Let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, you can use also -1, -2, and so on. Okay, now, excuse me, please.
Hey.
0, 4 zeros is 0.
0.
And 4 ones,
1. 1.
4,
4 2,
8.
4 3,
1.
1,
and 4
16.
4. Now, I'm going to plot these points on the grid. Point 0, 0, down. Point 1, 4 is located already. Point 2, 8 here. 3, 12 there. 4, 16 is here. Connecting between all of these points to get a straight line, so it represents a linear equation. Thank you very much. Can you stop recording?